Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and our featured property for today will make you appreciate being a Filipino even more dahil this property is a Filipino or modern Filipino design smart home located in an exclusive subdivision in close proximity to major business establishments. So before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And let's start, of course, sa facade ng ating property. And we were given the chance to meet with our seller. Kaya we will be highlighting yung mga features na of the property, especially the location of the property. Kung makikita nyo guys, I'm gonna move here. This is your park. No? Walang blockage for the wind to pass through. Diba? So meaning presko yung property natin. That's why they opted to have your breeze blocks dito. This is not just for aesthetic but also dahil they wanted to take advantage of the space, no? Because if they put property dyan sa park natin, so mabablock yung air. But since this is an open space, papunta yung breeze dito sa ating property. And that's why they put breeze blocks instead of a closed fence. And I mentioned a Filipino design or some modern Filipino design home. Diba? Sabi ko kanina, parang siyang modern bahay kubo or modern bahay na bato. Because you'll see things that really matter to Filipinos pagdating sa bahay. So first, ayan, ventilation. So, yung air from the open space will pass through this breeze block. And even the design of your gate, your service gate, and your gate parking, meron kang mga linear design dyan, and also there are spaces for ventilation and for the breeze to pass through. This is a flood-free community, so you don't have to worry about flood. Nag-intro tayo kanina dito sa ating parking. This is parking for two, and you have cobblestones sa ating flooring. Nakikita nyo ba kung gaano siya ka-spacious? Diba? We always mention that it's good for vans, malaki siya, kasya, very spacious, but also yung slope natin, it's ideal if you also have a sedan dahil hindi sasayad yung sasakyan mo. The ceiling, parking pa lang, high ceiling na with spotlights. And as you can see, yung detail natin sa taas, we have a wood design ceiling which is seamless, meaning diretso na yan all throughout the property. You will see the wood design all throughout the property. We have wood panels here, and also ayun, you have a storage, your parking storage. Very important to make your place neat. So you have your storage, you have ample space. You can also enter here. If you need more shelves, you can add open shelves, cabinet pwede, and some stuff that you don't usually need na, you can just put them under there. Diba? Neat sa parking pa lang natin. And then, meron ka na rin socket dito. Tapos ang ganda because white. You have brown. Ang ganda pa ng color ng property because it's very nga bahay kubo. Brown, green, and yung black natin, sumusulpot lang din siya. This is sa side na to. I want you to see kung gaano siya kalaki. So, I'll go here. Aside from this is your access going to your maid's quarter and your laundry area. Pero mamaya natin pakita. Spacious, high ceiling, and tamang-tama pa yung ilaw natin. Alright, dito tayo sa ating porch. And not your usual property na pagpasok mo from your service gate, bubulaga sa'yo yung door mo. This one, they made it a point na pagdating mo dito, this is your pocket garden. Pagtama ng hangin sa yung breeze blocks, you have your modern Filipino jalousie. So pag open mo yan, pasok na ang hangin. This is a smart home, but just in case, like worst comes to worst, like walang kuryente, you don't have to worry because hindi mainit ang property. Also, the reason why you have jalousies here and your modern mahogany solid door is nakaside. Smart home. So you have, this is powered by Alexa, fingerprint, password, and of course, your mobile app. And pagpasok mo, this is your living area, of course. But syempre, pagpasok mo, you have your foyer. And eto na ang yung mga controls because this is a smart home. So you can also customize the commands depending on like if you want it pagpasok mo, if you want to put curtains here, pwede. And you'll appreciate the canal or the curtain canal na nandito sa may window natin because hindi makikita yung sa taas ng curtain. And also, if you wanted smart curtains, smart command na pwede for curtains and blinds, ayan, naka-ready na talaga siya dyan. You also have your socket there. So, ayan. Again, sobrang presko. You have your clerestory window for your daylight, for your natural light. And ito ang pinaka-favorite ko pagpasok ko pa lang kanina. Actually, napansin ko na to, your tiles. Guys, your tiles, these are not ordinary design tiles, square. These are herringbone design tiles. Ibig sabihin, very pinag-isipan even yung flooring mo. Very Filipino. Diba? Yung sa mga kubo natin, yung mga pagkakaayos ng mga bamboo. Can you see that? And of course, ang yung TV console. Again, very Filipino. You have your Alexa dashboard here. Adobe Finish wall accent. At kasha ang 75 inches TV. Pwede. You can mount your TV here. Pwede mo na itayo. And meron ka pang window dito. The ventilation, very Filipino. Diba yun nga, I mentioned na, ang mga Pilipino naman before, di naman talaga natin gusto yung aircon. Diba? We still want yung natural air. So, pwede mong gawin yon here sa property na to. Your living area, dito. Your dining area. What I love about this, the open layout, the furnitures are not included for your dining in your living area, but napakadaling ternohan. You can stick to the modern side, you can stick to the Filipino side, and the colors are really easy to match. Meron kang brown, light brown, adobe, a hint of black, so you can choose the right furniture depending on your mood. This portion, yung dining area mo, ang ganda ng ating drop light or chandelier, which is good for an 8-seater dining set. You can make it a round table. Pwede rin naman siyang rectangular. Yan. Nandito rin tayo dahil nakikita naman na ninyo your lanai. Diba? If you have a gathering, open air, very presko. Diba? If you want to add more plants, pwede. As you can see yung guest room natin sa likod na may view dito sa ating garden, which is very relaxing. May mga plants na tayo, but you can add more plants dito. The cobblestone, still, may accent ka pa rin nun dito. You can change your grass, Bermuda, or anything. One of the things that I also love about this home is the reason why you put your sink here. You have your sink dito sa, diba? This is your breakfast nook, which can, I think, accommodate 3 stools. You have your wine shelves dyan. Modular cabinets, a 2-layer kitchen modular cabinets. Why? Lagay mo sa taas yung mga hindi mo masyadong ginagamit na mga stuff. Could be your Christmas decor, anything. So your space is maximized. But I just want to highlight your sink. This is a double bowl stainless steel sink. It's a really wide. I forgot to ask yung kanyang measurement. But there, yung ganda diba? But very Filipino kwentuhan. Like, while you're washing the dishes, nandyan yung breakfast nook mo. You can talk to the people or your children, your husband, your spouse, diba? Habang naguhugas ka. Very Filipino kwentuhan lang. This is multi-point. So even yung water dito, it's heated. So you don't have to worry early in the morning na malamigin yung mga kamay natin. Again, very Filipino. Bawal po tayo mapasma. At, of course, you have your chin trainer. White quartz countertop. You have your socket. You also have your task light. And your cutlery drawer. This is also included. Hindi ko na-mention tong linear drop light natin. Ang ganda pala, oh. Diba? Parang sabi ko, sobrang liwanag when you're washing the dishes. And yeah, small details. No? You have your linear drop light sa tapat ng dish mo, alang ng sink mo. Really helps a lot. Ganda. Cutlery drawers, not one, but you have two. Meron ka pa dito mga drawers. And you also have a pull-out trash bin. At separated na yan for the wet and the dry. There. Meron pang isa. For organizing your pots. Put it out. Put it back. Soft close. For your condiments, you also have your pull-out. Di ba? Alam mo, kanina nung tinutour kami ni Sir, yung owner, sobrang sabi ko, wow. Like, to all wives, yung mga ladies na gustong-gusto sa kitchen, ayan na. You don't have to worry about organizing your kitchen because marami tayong cabinets, and of course, you have your mga pull-outs. These are included, of course, your stove and your cooktop and your range hood. These are both included. Ay, ang ganda naman ng LED strip natin. Hindi ko ito napansin kanina. Makita mo yan, akala mo accent lang. It adds up sa lighting ng ating kitchen, which is very important. So you have your breakfast nook here. And what's nice about breakfast, of course, kape, guys. Magko-coffee tayo. We have this coffee corner. I want to call it the coffee corner because you can put your coffee machine here. Meron ka ng socket dyan. Meron ka ng shelf dito. At nandito na rin yung dispenser mo, which is also included. Drawer. Dito nga pala. Microwave, oven, included po sila. Again, storage. And you also have your first provision for your, you can have a double door refrigerator or a side-by-side refrigerator. The height. Diba? And of course, your pantry. Pwede ba namang mawala yan? Again, cabinets pa rin doon sa taas. Ito yung kanina, very Filipino. You have your formal kitchen. Of course, you also have your dirty kitchen, auxiliary kitchen, service kitchen, which is this side. Guys, yung mga doors natin, these are all mahogany. Solid door lahat. Walang piniling location, lahat solid door na mahogany. Service kitchen, you also have your stove. Andito yung lalagyan ng LPG natin. Even the one for the formal kitchen, nasa labas din yung LPG natin. So this provision is for your 2 LPG tanks. Double stainless steel sink, hindi tinipid. The quality is still the same as the one inside. Bigger lang yung nandun, but the quality is the same. Storage, you have your laundry area. It's a provision for 2 washing machine. If you want a wash and dry setup, you have here, socket. At, dito na yung parking natin kanina. Napansin nyo ba na pag nandyan ka, presko pa rin? Kasi nga, yung pagpasok ng hangin from that open space, na maximize ng malaking space natin here. And I think you will love this one because most of the people are commenting about the maid's room. The owner wanted to call it the staff house or the staff corner because they have a private space, guys. Nakita nyo ba yung stairs na yan? Akyat tayo and I'll show you why. Ang ganda. They have their own space. Diba? So here, pag akyat mo, you have 2 doors. The first door goes to your full bath. You'll see that the quality of materials that you have here are the same dun sa loob. Very spacious. This is your staff bathroom. Silver stainless steel shower set. Linear pa yung drainage natin. Floor to ceiling tiles. Tempered glass enclosed shower area. You have bidet, your sink, and you also have your towel rack. At meron ka pang exhaust fan. Diba? Mahogany solid door, just like your door dito. Pagpasok mo, your tiles, you have the same. Your herringbone design tiles are also the same with your staff. And ayan. Kung ayaw niyang mag-aircon, hindi siya masasuffocate because, ayan nga. Diba? You can just open your window. Papasok na yung hangin. At again, pwede pa rin naman siyang paano ba ito isara? Ayun. Diba? But still, you can put aircon. If you want to put aircon. Pwede nga siya dun sa double bed. The double bed, kasya yung double bed dito. And you can also put double deck. Built-in cabinet. Oh, diba? Staff bedroom. Diba? Siyempre, let's keep them safe. You also have your CCTV camera dito. Let's go back sa loob. Okay, nakita ko yung gate. Automated yung gate natin. If I forgot to mention dyan sa umpisa. Ayan, automated gate. At, habol ka, sir. Pagpasok natin, this is your first bedroom, your guest room. Ito yung nakita nyo kanina. Diba? Pwede kang naka-aircon. If you don't want aircon, pwede mo tong buksan. At yung laki niya, it's perfect dahil papasok lang yung hangin dyan. Hindi mainit. Queen size bed ka siya dito, but if you want more space, full size bed, perfect dyan. You have your built-in cabinet. Nakita niyo ba yung quality? It's the same as dun sa staff room natin. Yeah. What else? This one, of course, this is your full bath. Pagpasok mo, this is your vessel type sink na sobrang laki. You also have your wide vanity mirror. You have socket for your towel. Of course, your drawer. This is multi-point, so hot and cold ready na. Even in the morning, mainit, you need hot water, you have it here. Ample space for anything that you need sa yung bathroom. Bidet, toilet, you have your towel rack, and of course, your enclosed shower area. Floor to ceiling tiles, linear yung drainage natin, silver stainless steel sink, of course, hot and cold, ready na rin yan. Something cool about this, I'll see you on the other side, sir. You know what I mean. Jack and Jill yung ating bathroom. When you say Jack and Jill, so you have an access from your guest room and to your kitchen na dito. The goal is, sabi nga ni sir, no one will come out from the bathroom. You just have an access anywhere. From there, you'll notice ang high ceiling natin. If I haven't mentioned it yet, but it's one of the highlights talaga. High ceiling. And guys, you have aircon dito. You have aircon there. You have ventilation sa jalousie here. Dalawa yan. And you also have ventilation there. Sa sliding door natin. Natural light will come in. Diba? Sobrang liwanag. Alright. Akyat na tayo. Tignan mo yung style niya. Very yung mga, traditional homes na, diba yung isang step lang? Very nice. You have a storage here, which is actually one of my favorite, hindi ba secret, but feature siguro. Pag binuksan mo siya, it's a shoe cabinet. Oh. And also, this is your CCTV control area, which is usually yung mga bahay, they put it sa mga bedrooms. But this time, you have it, mas clean siyang tignan if meron siyang sarili niyang room. And what's good about it, na-maximize mo yung space. You have your control room, and you also have your shoe cabinet. Nice! Alright, akyat na tayo. As you notice, guys, ang luwang ng staircase natin. You have your wood planks, which are actually sobrang luwang. The space is good for two-way. May gusto bumaba, hindi kayo magbabanggaan, at hindi mataas ang steps natin. Your landing, spacious siya. Ano pa? You have ventilation even on your landing. Daylight. Diba? Kasi this would be your, there's a wall, but meron ka pa ring natural light dito. So even if umaga yan, wala kang ilaw, maliwanag yung property, maliwanag yung bahay natin. I would like to emphasize ang ating ceiling again, a seamless wood design layout. Diretso lang yan. At you have spotlights, you have your chandelier na may pagka industrial design siya. Pero bakit parang nakikita ko yung mga kandila? Pag-akit mo, dito tayo. They call this your junior master bedroom because, di ba? Pagpasok mo, akala mo ito na yung master bedroom. Why? Sobrang spacious niya. Your wall accent, your aircon. Kung ayaw mo mag-aircon, buksan mo to, presko pa rin. And of course, kung ayaw mo mag-aircon, you also have your fan. Queen size bed. And this one is it has an ensuite toilet and bath. And as you notice, undermount yung ating sink. Multi-point siya. Vanity / your medicine cabinet. May task light ka dyan. Centralized. Multi-point water heater so hindi mainit. Mainit na yung water. Enclosed shower area. Spacious siya. Stainless steel, silver shower set, floor-to-ceiling tiles, linear ang iyong drainage. Meron ka rin exhaust fan. Diba? Solid wood ang ating door. Mahogany with groove lines pa yan at black ang yung handle. This is your built-in cabinet. Wow, two-layer hang. Dahil ito na rin yung bumalaga sa inyo, this is your balcony / your family area. Look at your tiles, floor tiles. Still the same. Herringbone design tiles. Hindi tinipid. Seamless wood design sa ating ceiling. You have your breeze blocks, tempered glass, plant box, and the view of your open area. Halimbawa, naglalaro yung mga anak mo. There, you can see them. Diba? You have your cabinet dito. Anything that you need. Your snacks. Your snacks or anything, pwede dyan. Vacuum cleaner, kung gusto mo, pwede mo ilagay dyan kahit na meron ka sa baba. You have one for each story. This door is actually your full bath. It's full bath. Full bath because meron kang shower area. And look at your sink. You have your vanity / your medicine cabinet. Multi-point. So hot and cold, ready? Enclosed shower area. Ayan. Floor-to-ceiling tiles. Linear yung drainage natin. Silver stainless steel silver color stainless steel na shower set. You have hand shower and yung rain shower natin. Parang hindi ko yung na-mention kanina. Ito pa rin. Diba? Okay. Dahil nandito na rin tayo, we did mention kanina that the goal of having the bathroom na Jack and Jill para hindi tayo lalabas when we take a bath, diretso tayo sa room natin. And that is why Jack and Jill din siya. This is your bedroom. Overlooking the garden. At nakikita mo naman kung gaano kalaki ang window mo. So if you don't want aircon, buksan mo lang yan. Sara mo to. Good. Ventilation, hangin. Diba? Off mo yan. Meron ka pang fan. It's your wall accent. Queen size bed, perfect for this room. Ganun siya ka-spacious din. But if you want na mas maliit, pwede rin naman. Sara natin to. Your built-in cabinet. Push-release lang tayo sa cabinets natin. Wala tayong knobs. Kaya super clean niyang tignan. Diba? Ang linis. Kasi minsan nasasagi tayo doon sa mga knobs natin dyan or mga handles natin. So just push-release. Double ang ating hang. Double hang. Maximize ang space natin. You still have space dun sa taas for your storage. Spotlights. Ayan. Maguhogani solid door natin. Paglabas natin, guys, dito na tayo sa ating master bedroom. And this is your master bedroom. 75 inches TV, guys. Perfect. At kung makikita mo, your clerestory window for natural light. Again, worst comes to worst, walang kuryente and all. Very Filipino, meron tayong ventilation. Buksan mo lang to. Open mo lahat yan. You're good. And you have your fan, kung ayaw mo ng aircon. You have this. Okay, let's try. Alexa, turn off master TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on master TV.
Okay.
See? Mabilis ang pick up ng ating, ang galing-galing mo, Alexa. Best friends na tayo. Ang arte, no? So, yun. I want to show you this part, but unahin ko na doon. Herringbone, pa rin yung design ng tiles natin. King size bed. Dito yung headboard mo. Facing there. You can put lamp here because you have sockets there. Diba? Let's try sa closet. Alexa, turn off master closet.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on master closet.
Okay.
Diba? Ang dali niya kausap. Buti pa si Alexa, madaling kausap. So this is your closet. Open. Again, push release tayo. Dito pala siya. O yan, kinapakapako pa. Diba? You have ample space for your clothes. At, syempre, ang favorite ni Ena, full body mirror. Your full body mirror, na hindi lang siya full body mirror because this is also your closet. And sa yung side, this is your master bathroom. Diba? Very master ang dating niya. You have your undermount sink. Meron kang enough space for your blower, your iron, curler, pwedeng-pwede dyan kasi may socket ka rin dyan. You have space for your brush na hindi mo na siya kailangang kalat-kalat dito. Diba? And for your medicine as well, because this is also your medicine cabinet. Again, multi-point, hot and cold ready. At ang iyong enclosed shower area. Floor to ceiling. At stainless steel shower set. Linear drainage. At, ito hindi ito masyadong napansin kanina. But this is very important. So yung nasa likod ng iyong door is, yan. You can hang, close your towel. Also, the space here, nakikita mo ba yan? You have enough space if you want to put your hamper. Diba? Walang kalat sa labas. Diba? Sobrang linis sa mata. Diba? Kasi minsan yung mga nakakalat na clothes, sobrang eyesore kasi yun. But look at this. Diba? Diyan mo na. Pagkatapos mo maligo ka, just leave it there sa hamper. Alright. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Balik na tayo sa ating ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is your modern Filipino smart home located in the heart of Angeles City. When I say in the heart of Angeles City, this is just a 15 to 20 minute drive to Clark International Airport and other major business establishments. This is also an exclusive subdivision, a flood-free community, and as you can see dun pa lang sa intro natin kanina, you've seen the open spaces, and meron din tayong pool area, and of course yung clubhouse natin and other amenities. So if you're interested to purchase this Filipino custom-made property, it's actually custom, it's made according to the needs of us Filipinos, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, our Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. And also, please don't forget to follow. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa aming channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. Special thanks po kay Miss Jinky Pineda. Thank you so much for always being accommodating po sa amin. And of course, hi to Netel of Music Staff sa Star Maker. Again, this is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. Let's go!